guys, Car Friends Q15 here, and today is probably one of the most special videos. Not quite as good as the interview with Tim, but today we're here with the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Now, a little bit of a spoiler, I actually got to sit in this car. Absolutely incredible experience. But yeah, that will be after this clip. But if we have a look around the car, you can see all of the carbon fibre here and the Centenario badge in there. If we have a look at the engine bay with the V12 monster. If we have a look at the back as well, the massive diffuser. And this kind of matte design here, really nice. With carbon side sills. But yeah, have a quick look from the driver area. But now, let's hop into the Lamborghini Centenario. So if we get in the car, lifting up the scissor door and stepping in, it's a really special place in here. But wow, if we have a look there, and all the displays here as well. This is just an incredible place to be. With the Centenario badging down there. I hope my dad comes over quickly to get me a picture, but this is absolutely incredible to be in this car right here. But yeah, properly wow. So thank you very much for watching this video on the Lamborghini Centenario. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe for fortnightly content. Here's about to be some cinematics of the Lamborghini Centenario.